Telnet was by far one of the earliest protocols. We used it for terminals to talk to mainframes, and of course it was mainframes that did the first work on the internet. So Telnet is just a way of connecting from a terminal directly to another computer by a command line, and then using that command line to control that second computer. It's often used to administer a server, a router, or other device. Here is a Telnet, the beginning of a Telnet conversation using my command line on Windows, and I simply typed Telnet here, and then it went into a Telnet mode, and now it says Microsoft Telnet, and it's waiting for a command. More specifically, it's waiting for me to tell it an IP address to Telnet 2. Often we use other software. So for example, PuTTY is one that's often used, and you can see one of the things that PuTTY can do is Telnet, and if I give it a host name or an IP address, I can then Telnet to some device. And here's an example of Telnetting to a router in this case, and you can see that router is now ready to receive data using PuTTY, ready to receive commands, I should say, so that I can now administer that router. Well, that's Telnet.